I don't come. I just want to make I ask you this simple question, my auntie Anioma people. Shebi, you say they not they create geopolitical zone based on languages, and that is to say, we when be Anioma people, we dey south, Igbo people dey south, Shekiri people dey south, Urobo dey south, Bayelsa people they dey south. Say government not they create geopolitical zone based on language, which means different language can become one can be in one geopolitical zone. The same you talk say Anioma people say they not be Igbo people, say we dey different, say just forget the language, say our language they similar, say we are different. Then if they create us together with the southeast as a geopolitical zone, wetin can be your problem now? Since we not be the same language and geopolitical zones are not created based on languages, so why are you against it? Obviously, when you see where as someone na create geopolitical zone, be say as so kwa na so abo anyi na so abo anyi na so sa so na ba asusu Igbo. Ka di jini na ekuso be ti anyi ni southeast. Bono si geopolitical zone si kpomkpo asusu na enwe ke di ni maye. Obosa anya ba anya na so Igbo ba na so asusu anya. But so like in geopolitical zone we can dash different languages share in the major political zone. Ya for so na confuse when na confuse. Onwe really big in no kanyo ye no kanyo if ishoku to the tulu. Even na gwa so onwe be na eko or the tulu. Ya no fen na gwa. So ikusanya abo ndibo, which means we can also be in the same geopolitical zone. Ikwesanya bo ndibo okashima kasanja bo ufu in the same geopolitical zone. So left and right, Anioma State will be created. Left and right, we need Anioma State. Left and right, Anioma State will be created in the southeast geopolitical zone, and there is nothing any enemy can do about it. If you can answer my question, I told you people last time, I will stop campaigning for Anioma State. If you can tell me what we are going to lose, because I have told you what we are going to gain. So if you can tell me what we are going to lose as a state being in Southeast geopolitical zone, I will stop campaigning for Anioma State. But I'm waiting for you. But since you have no facts to present, join us. Let us celebrate the coming of the new state, Anioma State. This is in view, and there is nothing the devil can do about it. Na fuelo de koruo Anioma State ke na wejike keke and anyi jike nwere enwe and we kekere tie ni South East geopolitical zone nene na afanya anyi bu ndi Igbo Benin belo fam be fanyi chuku enwos mbu chief ifo akpom ni media bo Senator Rich K medical Benin no mukum Igbo kwezwenu ngwa Anioma kwezwenu